What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Hut Jr. back again with another banger. Yes, sir. Today we just pulled up on this man. Just randomly met him on the road right out here. Pulled up on him. He was doing a wheelie, bro, in his chicken hat. Yes, sir. He said that he's seen some of the videos, man, on Fastlane D's channel and on my channel. That's pretty sweet. This is his first bike, GSXR750 2023. Yes, sir. He's looking clean. He's got an exhaust on there so far. He said that he's going to be doing the fender soon. He got some nice little levers up here too. Yes, sir. That thing's clean. I like the little color scheme they got going on. Man, I'm out on the R6 today. The beautiful blue Yamaha R6. We're going to be talking to you all today about best safety tips. Let's go on and get it started. Let's go.
Access granted.
I'll try and get him out of the road there. Poor little goosies. I tried to get him out of the road. Sheesh. We're gonna do 5 or 10 safety tips. I don't know how many we're gonna do because we're just winging it, baby, because that's what we do. Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, tip number 1. Wear a helmet. Look at these fools. That wasn't going to be tip number 1, but wear a helmet. Look at them, bro. God dang, people are crazy. I could never, especially not with a girl on the back. Come on now, at least put a helmet on her. That thing's clean, boy. Yes, sir. What I was going to say is, make sure to stay in gear until there's a car behind you. Reason being, if a car comes up behind you, you can at least look in your mirrors and stuff and kind of see if they're coming up, if they're gonna stop. They might be on their phone. They might not be ready to stop. They might not even see you. They might not see the red light. Just stay in gear until there's a car behind you. Be ready to pull out. Your fingers could probably use the workout anyway, you know what I'm saying?
That's what she said.
It's Memorial Day weekend right now. Get the blue G35 out, boy. Have y'all seen the Vader kit for those things? That thing is sick, boy. If y'all have seen it, I'll try and throw one up right here. Watch for people with their turn signals on too. See bro on his phone right there. He was on his phone. Turn signal on, not paying attention at all. Safety tip number 2. Wear your gear, at least gloves and a helmet, bro. Come on now. If you go down, the first thing you're going to do is put your hands down. I promise you, it's natural human reaction. Anytime that you fall, you're going to naturally put your hands down. What is up with these buffoons not wearing helmets? Come on, yeah. Put a helmet on your damn head, boy. Check him out. Yes, sir. He's out. We acting a fool, baby. Look at a whole light bar on the front of his car. That was bright as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably be pissed if it was nighttime. I wouldn't be able to see. Safety tip number 3. I ride with my high beams on. Why? For one, because the Yamahas, both of my bikes, if you have your low beams on, you'll only have one headlight on. A singular headlight on one side. It's got 2 sides, 1 and 1. You know how stupid that looks? It looks like you're a Popeye out here. Got one headlight out. Alright? That ain't even why though. I ride with my high beams on, so that way people up here can see me better. They get to do one more thing for them to be able to see me better. These people, they're not paying attention, man. They might not even look, for real. But if they can catch you in their peripheral or something because of your high beam, catching their eye that there was a light coming that way or something, especially at nighttime, this is a very big factor. Daytime it helps, but I feel like not as much. Nighttime, definitely. I ride with my high beams on. Screw them, bruh. They'll be fine. It ain't gonna kill them just to have your light in their freaking eyes for a second. People get bright lighted every damn day. What I would do is ride around with your high beams on, that way they can see you. Give them one more thing to be able to see you. Whoop whoop, we got a cop right here. Nope, look at my man's over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at him. That's his first bike to him, bro. He's chilling with it. My man is chilling with it. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. It's crazy we're doing this in a safety tips video. I know it. I know it. You know, you got to ride your own ride, baby. Just do that. That's safety tip number 4. Ride your own ride. You ain't out here to impress nobody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go! Yes, sir. My God. Yes, sir. I love finding new people to wheelie with. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We're going to slow it back down, boys. We're just getting hype. We're just getting hype. Woo. Where was we at? I don't even know if we were on 5 or 4 or 3 or 6. I don't even know, boys. We're out having fun though, I know that. And watch for people like that. She was about to come out for sure. And I bet if I didn't have my high beams on and all the yellow high beams, she might not even see me. This isn't even really high vis, it's like a fluo yellow. I know these is worn out, boy. I need some new gloves. What do y'all think? If you want to help donate to Willie Hut Jr.'s fund for some new gloves, let me know, babe. Woo! Damn, my wheel slid right there. Safety tip number 5 or 6, something like that. Check your tire pressure before you go out every now and then. I know a lot of people say to check it every day. That's unrealistic, bro. Every time before you go out, come on now. I'd say check it maybe once or twice, every 2 weeks or a month. I do a field test maybe every day before I go out. Something like that. But actually, I'm talking about actually plugging it up to your, or not plugging it up, but you know what I mean? Sitting there with the freaking reader, the little air gauge. Yeah, that's what it's called. Air gauge, baby. Do the little push test, you know what I'm saying? Make sure they're hard. If your finger goes in a lot, then you should probably put some air in them things. You know what I'm saying? And you should also, after some time being on a bike and riding, you should be able to feel whether or not, you know what I mean? You'll feel it in your tires and how the bike handles. So that's really just something that you might want to do whenever you're just starting out. Checking it every day, maybe. Daggone rabbit trying to take somebody out, boy. Safety tip number 6. If you're gonna ride the road hard, like say y'all wanted to ride this road really hard right now, I would 10 out of 10 make a pass, more than likely, to try and make sure there's nothing in my way, no gravel spots, you know what I mean? If you're gonna make a hella hard pass. Anyway. Just make sure there's no tree limbs or no fallen trees or nothing like that in the road. that could possibly, you know. Whew, we'll get back to y'all here in a minute. Let's hit up tip number 7. Make sure to wear the proper visor. If your visor is not auto darkening, make sure to go on and darken that thing. Or put on your clear visor. If you're going to be riding at night, put on the clear one. If you're going to be riding in the day, put on the dark one. Help yourself see, or just ride the clear one. If you think you're going to be out late, try to ride with the clear one. Safety tip number 8. Say you're pulling up to an intersection or something, and there's a car like in this driveway about to pull out, okay? Or they look like they're waiting to pull out. Look at their tires, bro. Look at their wheel. If it starts to roll, that's the best way to determine whether or not they're getting ready to pull out in front of you. I can promise you that. If that wheel starts rolling, they're coming, baby. You better get ready. Get ready to make some maneuvers, you know what I'm saying? Or hit the brakes. Downshift and hit the brakes. Don't lock them up, though. That's the most important thing. Don't panic and friggin' practice your hard braking. Practice emergency braking. That's something y'all should practice too. That we're gonna call that tip number 9 or 10 or something. I don't know what we're on. But yeah, whoa, let's get it. Safety tip number 11. Don't pass in a damn blind turn, alright? I've seen too many freaking riders that I've been out with, man, pass people in a blind turn. That is one of the scariest, most idiotic things I think you could do on your motorcycle. Are you literally trying to die? Do you actually have a death wish, bro? Like, come on now, get it together. I get riding hard and having fun, but there's a difference in being reckless as hell and having fun. And coming up over rolling hills like that, I've seen people on the wrong side of the road too. That's just as bad, if not worse, than the friggin' turn, bro. In my opinion, I wouldn't do either. Be smart. Don't you want to make it home? Ding ding. I want to do turns without this truck, bro. I just did what I told y'all not to do. Don't do that, okay? That was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that, boys. But I wanted this section, and I wasn't worth it. I shouldn't have done that. So don't do what I just did. Do as I say, not as I do. You heard? If you enjoyed that video, make sure to smash the like button. Leave me a comment down there. And go on and subscribe, man. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. You know you want to see more of this. I got y'all with some more tips coming. I'm going to start doing more videos like this. I want to help the new riders out. Somebody got to go. Let's go.